We are about to try the viral polka dot makeup look that I've been seeing all over my TikTok feed. I've been in my makeup bag practicing my makeup. Make sure y'all watch the full video. Y'all let me know down below if I failed or if I passed. I love y'all so much and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hey Dripsets friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content. I'm just gonna be practicing my makeup. It's not a tutorial or anything. This is makeup look that I found on Pinterest. So I did my eyebrows. You know my eyebrows, y'all? You know, don't worry about this. The reason y'all can kind of see that is because I need to clean my makeup brushes. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. I need to clean my makeup brushes. Let's put our foundation on. The foundation that I use is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and it's in the shade Medium Deep. This is not a tutorial. This is just really to see if I can execute this look. And if I can't execute this look, then I'm gonna still upload this video, and it's just gonna be a failed attempt. But I'm gonna put my foundation on, and yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all didn't already.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged, he'll do it like a doodle. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, it gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm in scrape from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I caught from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can come leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, that's supposed to behave. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can come leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can come leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Brand new.
this is the glam look. It's actually pretty cute. For next time, I need new lashes, so yeah, these are strips. Y'all probably already know that, but I need new lashes. But this look came out so good. I'm gonna show y'all my flash test to see if it passed the flash test. You're not out here gonna be looking like a ghost. Y'all comment down below what y'all think, how I did, whatever. I think it's a really cute look. I took some pictures about this look. Definitely, I think maybe I need to change my lashes. But everything else looks pretty good. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.